Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Niall Amari from Best RV down in Turlock, California. Today we have our 15th annual RV show, the largest RV show in Northern California. Over 1,700 units in stock and 40 acres full of all kind of RVs from A, Class C, B, travel trailers. And also, the nice thing about this show is we bring the manufacturer representative to the dealership so they could answer any questions, any concern for the customers. Today we have Dean. He's a representative of Dutchmen manufacturer, and we carry the Kodiak line, the Aspen chair line. And Dean, with your working for this company many years, we're sitting on a brand new 2025 Kodiak 308. Is really unique. I mean, how you came up with this idea? I mean, I've been doing this for 26 years. I never seen a trailer with a patio in the back and kids they could sit outside, eat, and somebody passed them a food. It's amazing. What's come up with that?
So what we really did, we started an R&D center, and our goal was, how do we make it better? How do we innovate? And really, how do we make the customer experience different from what we've seen for 25 plus years?
Yeah.
And the beauty with this is we said, let's get a patio system. It's something that we can get the customer really off the ground, but also extend the unit without the actual entire box getting bigger. So we were able to add this patio system with your concession style window.
Yeah, I see that. I mean, you could see I could close this, voila, and this all close, and then I could sit, you know, as you see this here, I could sit and somebody passed me food and this, and it's amazing. I mean,
food, cocktails, anything that really allows you to really extend that, whether it's cold, warm, it doesn't matter. You have that ability to have that indoor outdoor feel, which is very unique to the travel trailer market. Another great thing about this window, you've got your pull down shade here for your blackout, as well as your bug screen. So we really wanted to really set the bar high and give that customer experience something that they've never had, unique to really the Kodiak line.
Yeah, and it's amazing. One thing, really I like about the Kodiak Ultra-Lite, it's a smooth fiberglass, ultralight. But one of the major features, what I really like this, is comes standard with power stabilizer jacks, power tongue jacks, solar system, slide toppers, where in the other lines I see you have to buy it as from the dealers or requested to add it as an extra option. Versus I seen on all Kodiak at Best RV, they come that way.
We really wanted to do that for you. You guys do a great job on that marketing and getting that customer to your door. So instead of having to really haggle, so to speak, as add-on features, you guys have done a great job partnering and bringing those in as standard features to really make it, to simplify the buying experience for your customer.
Interesting. Now, could you take me and show me this beautiful floor plan?
Absolutely.
It's amazing.
Right, starting with the nice European style door that you're, for the indoor outdoor access. Again, this concession style window and having that ability to really truly entertain in a bunkhouse is unique in itself. But just the fact that our construction being 6-side laminated with aluminum frame, laminated sidewalls, laminated rear wall, as well as your slide out end walls, completely laminated, Asdel construction on your sidewalls.
So no delaminations.
No delamination. Yeah, exactly. As well as our floor with our hyper deck floor. So
I see that.
Really no wood, so to speak, in this entire unit. So you've got that nice fiberglass with your insulation, as well as a heated and enclosed underbelly as well on that floor. So we're really doing a great job of having no water intrusion, and I think that's really a part of this brand that's taken us to the top.
Absolutely. And then I noticed here's the furniture you're using. I mean, I seen here you use Thomas Paine theater seating, and normally those theater seating they come in a high-end fifth wheels. You have to buy like $70,000 fifth wheels to get those kind of recliners.
Absolutely. The price point here, not to mention everyone can recline. Also added a nice new feature here, kind of have that dinette, so to speak, but also the storage.
So I could sit here and eat. Using my laptop, watching the game, and nice ambient fireplace, and also I could bring it down here and look, it go down by itself.
And an ottoman.
Ottoman, it's amazing. A dining table as well, ottoman, And then all these four I notice is they recline, not just the one on the right or one on the left.
Usually
So
the guys on the outside get all the pleasure.
yes,
Beauty
absolutely.
here, all four.
Yeah, I see that here. I did all the four. It's amazing. So all the four people sitting in this big. I don't want to call it, big theater seating or big
Oversized
recliners.
reclining sofa.
Oversized recliner sofa. That's a good terminology.
One of the great things too, TV standard. But I really want to point out something that was instrumental for us when we brought this floor plan out to the
Yes.
market. When you go in the nice hidden bunk area, and if we can, what we did, the most important thing was to add. We added two 70 CFM fans. Okay, you'll have one in the upper right corner, one here in the lower left corner. That's cubic foot per minute is the air that we're pushing. The most important thing for us was to make sure that the customer and the folks that are going to be sleeping in this area are going to get that nice air movement to get the temperature right. When we did our testing, we actually took a continued 125 degrees,
Wow.
turned our fans on in combination with our air conditioner. We were able to get this temperature down to 72 degrees in an hour and a half.
Wow.
That's huge. The
Yes.
competition out there is using 5 CFM fans. It's like a computer fan. So it was very important for us to make sure we had upgraded 70 CFM fans to get that air moving so this customer could feel very confident in being comfortable in this bunk room.
And the nice thing about this floor plan, even if you don't have kids or grandkids, you want to take them, you could convert this bunk room to a storage. I had one person who bought it. He turned it just to office. So he have his private office when he traveled, and he could work from his traveling. So it has multi-function room, as you see here. If you come this way and show them, I mean, this bunk is raised up, and then there's the other bunk. And if you don't want this mattress, you could remove this mattress, and look how much the space you gain. So you could use it as a storage. You could use it as a office. You could use it as a bunk. And also, you don't, by having this floor plan like this, if I close this door, nobody know what's behind this door. Nobody know there's a bunk model. So you could buy a 308, look like a nice rear kitchen with a U-shaped kitchen in the back with a nice view, nice side patio, back patio, and nobody know you have a bunk model. And if you have a grandkids or kids, voila, just open it and just tell them go to your room. And that's the beauty about it. It gives you the more privacy at night. You have more privacy, and you could utilize it for multi-functions. And even they don't waste, ladies, when you tell me, okay, I need more counter space. Look, you have a U-shaped counter space in the kitchen as well. You have a counter space here. You could sit the grandkids. You could use it as a dinette. It has even a window. And plus, if this bother you, it's in your way. You hold these?
Yes, sir.
You could bring it down. I mean, this is removable counter space. You could bring it down, as you see here. Voila. So it's in my way, and I could remove it if I don't want to use it. But a lot of people, they're using it. They feed the kids on it, or they could use it as a prepping area for it.
Mr. Now, you brought up a really good point, about that bunkhouse. A lot of bunkhouses, they kind of impede the floor plan, right?
Yes.
It doesn't jeopardize the flow. This floor plan is just as big as you'd see in a couples coach, right?
Yeah.
It's nice to have that big open floor plan. And ladies, no carpet. You don't see carpet anywhere here.
You don't have to worry about vacuuming. And then another feature is all the Kodiak, this unit, and plus they give you the 10.7 12-volt cubic refrigerators, run off 12 volt. As will the unit come with solar panels, so it has solar. It's ready, so you don't have to worry about the fridge. And then you're gonna say, Niall, where's my pantry? Hey, wait a minute. We don't waste it. We give you pantry. Look how big this pantry. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves with the lip, so you could put your stuff. It's not gonna fall off when you're traveling. This unit also is equipped with 2 AC, I noticed.
That's correct.
One for the living room,
Yes,
one
sir.
for the bedroom,
Yes,
and
sir.
both they are ducted.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to the bedroom and show me all the nice features of the Kodiak bedroom.
So it's going to be a 60 by 80 residential queen mattress. Really important. There's a lot of terms when you say queen in the RV space. That could be a 60 by 74. So we don't want your feet to fall asleep at 2 in the morning. We also want, ladies to go to Bed Bath and Beyond and actually get sheets that fit the bed. That's the beauty here. Also, hinged underneath for your storage. So there's a lot of brands out there where you actually have to hold this up while you're getting your belongings. We wanted to make sure we put those nice gas struts in there for you, so for more convenience.
Then look how deep it is here underneath. You can put all kind of boxes, containers,
blankets, shoes,
whatever you like. And then another advantage, could you tell me what these big black boxes underneath that shelf?
Nice thing for this, CPAP ready. So we've given that additional storage behind your wardrobe, your his and her wardrobe space here for any folks that need access to CPAP machines. We are ready for you, as well as your cell phones, maybe tablets. So we really wanted to give a nice convenience center there for both customers, right? His and hers.
Then I see here the second AC as well as ducted, or you could do it also free dump by just opening this valve. If you open it, all the cold air coming in and you have no problem. And then I see here already prepped. Even they give you a sticker said here's TV mount for a second TV. If you want us as a dealer, we could add a second TV in the bedroom, no problem. Now let's go to the bathroom and show the how roomy is the bathroom and the features they offer. Wow. You're giving us a glass door on this Kodiak?
Absolutely.
So this Kodiak come with a glass shower door. Normally it come on a big fancy fifth wheel, but again, what I really like about it, they give it to you on this fiberglass unit, and it has this the fan, not just a skylight. A lot of competitor they give you skylight, but this one has a vent. I could feel the fresh air and a fan, so it take all the smoke from outside. We have a nice medicine cabinet. It's a solid wood, not a plastic. Some competitor they use the plastic medicine cabinet. This is solid wood medicine cabinet with LED light around it. Nice prep area around it. Nice toilet and full privacy. Folks, take advantage of the 15th annual RV show. We have the manufacturer rep as Dean and other manufacturer rep on site. Coming in, take advantage. As usual, the manufacturer, they're helping us by giving us special prices to pass to our customers. They could save money and get the deals right now. So when May and June coming in, you're ready to hit the road and enjoy the camping from Best RV.